Are you searching for the latest on U.S. government finances? Or have you ever wondered how much financial data is truly at your fingertips? FiscalData.treasury.gov can help you find the data you want quickly and efficiently. In this video, you'll find that Fiscal Data offers comprehensive data sets, access to historical data, and an intuitive search across different types of data and topics. Let's get started. Let's follow Julie, a local news reporter, as she visits Fiscal Data, where she can access comprehensive data sets on federal finances through our Dataset Search page. Let's say Julie is interested in the U.S. government's total outstanding debt for a certain year. She can simply type in the word debt in the search field, and the page will dynamically show data sets that relate to debt. From here, she can browse through the list of data sets until she finds the one she's looking for. In this case, she finds the historical debt outstanding, which provides a summary of the U.S. government's total outstanding debt at the end of each fiscal year. Perhaps Julie also wants to learn more about government spending to support an article she's writing. She can clear her previous debt filter by clicking the X button in the search field. She can then select the Spending Topic button, and the page will filter to show the related data sets, such as the monthly Treasury statement that outlines spending by government department and agency. Now, let's say you're someone like Jonah, an accountant for a federal government agency who is also interested in federal data and would like to use the data for a finance report. If Jonah is searching for data in a specific time frame, like historical characteristics of each Treasury auction, for example, he can simply select the Auctions Topic button and use the Last Updated or Date Range filter. The available datasets will adjust accordingly, and he can then select the desired auctions dataset. And finally, Jonah can find data based on a specific file type that relates to other areas he's interested in, such as revenue collections management. He can scroll down to the dataset publisher and data format filters to narrow down the dataset and file type. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to easily find the data you're looking for through the Dataset Search filters on fiscaldata.treasury.gov.